Unveiling the unexpected, the remarkable results of mixing detergent with salt. In the realm of household hacks and unconventional solutions, a recent revelation has left many stunned. The seemingly mundane combination of detergent and salt has taken center stage, showcasing an array of incredible results that defy expectations. Join us as we explore this unconventional pairing and dive into the science behind its surprising effectiveness. The unlikely duo, detergent and salt. At first glance, the pairing of detergent and salt might raise eyebrows. After all, these two substances serve distinctly different purposes in our daily lives. Detergent is renowned for its ability to break down grease and grime, while salt is a common kitchen staple known for its flavor-enhancing properties. However, when combined, these seemingly unrelated components create a potent solution with a host of unexpected benefits. The cleaning power unleashed. The magic of this concoction lies in its ability to amplify the cleaning power of detergent. When salt is added to detergent, it acts as an abrasive agent, enhancing the scrubbing action. This is particularly effective when tackling stubborn stains, baked-on residues, or greasy surfaces. The abrasiveness of the salt aids in dislodging particles, allowing the detergent to work more efficiently. The science behind the synergy. Chemically speaking, the salt and detergent combination creates a dynamic duo. The surfactants in the detergent interact with the salt to form a unique cleaning compound. This compound has enhanced emulsifying properties, making it adept at breaking down oils, fats, and other substances that are often challenging to remove. A versatile solution. The applications of this detergent-salt fusion are surprisingly diverse. From cleaning stovetops and ovens to revitalizing cutting boards and utensils, the combination showcases its prowess across various cleaning tasks. It's also remarkably effective at lifting grime from surfaces like tiles and grout, leaving them looking refreshed and spotless. Eco-friendly benefits. Beyond its cleaning prowess, the detergent-salt amalgamation presents another noteworthy advantage: its eco-friendliness. Unlike some commercial cleaning products laden with harsh chemicals, this DIY solution harnesses the power of everyday ingredients that are less harmful to the environment. By opting for this combination, you're making a conscious choice to reduce your reliance on chemical-laden cleaners. The step-by-step guide. Creating the detergent salt cleaning solution is a straightforward process. Ingredients: gather your preferred detergent and table salt. Mixing: in a small bowl, combine a small amount of detergent with an equal amount of salt. The quantity will depend on the surface you're cleaning. Form a paste: mix the ingredients until they form a paste-like consistency. Application: apply the paste to the surface you wish to clean and scrub gently using a cloth, sponge, or brush. Rinsing: once scrubbed, rinse the surface thoroughly with water to remove any residue. Conclusion. The unexpected alliance of detergent and salt has opened up a world of efficient and eco-friendly cleaning possibilities. This DIY cleaning solution, with its enhanced scrubbing power and chemical synergy, challenges traditional notions and showcases the ingenuity of everyday ingredients. As we continue to explore unconventional solutions, let the remarkable results of detergent mixed with salt inspire us to think creatively and embrace the potential of the unexpected.